Good morning, students. As you know that our first chapter is going on, that is large number, and we have discussed many topics in this chapter. They are place value, face value, expanded form, standard form, ordering of number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, and 7-digit number, and forming of these numbers, how we can place the values for these numbers. So now we will start one or more topic, that is number system. What is number system, students? You are already doing number names, write the numbers in names in figures and all that. So these are also number system. But exactly what is number system? Number system, they are of two types. What are they? First is Hindu Arabic and Indian number system, and second is international number system. What is first? First is Hindu Arabic or Indian number system, and second is international number system. So students, today we will learn about Hindu Arabic or Indian number system. So as we have earlier discussed that about the periods of 5, 6 or 7-digit number. So if we have learned about 7-digit number, so we are taking here the example of 7-digit number. So children, how many periods are there? There are 3 periods in 7-digit number. They are ones, thousands and lakhs. Once again, 3 periods are there in 7-digit number. They are ones, thousands and lakhs. Okay, now what comes in the period of ones? They are ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands come thousand, 10,000, and in lakhs there it comes lakh and 10 lakhs. Once again you can see in ones period ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period thousand, 10,000. In lakhs period lakh and 10 lakh. Here we have taken one example, that is 9, 1, 5, 8, 6, 3 and 2. So if we see that 2 is written on the place of ones, 3 is written on the place of tens, 6 is written on the place of 100, 8 is written on the place of 1000, 5 is written on the place of 10,000, lakhs is 1 is written in the place of lakh, and 9 is written on the place of 10 lakhs. So if you can see children, there are two dark lines. They separate 3 parts of this numbers. What are they? One line separates ones and thousand, and one line separates thousand and lakhs. So there are 3 separation here. In ones, already you know, 1 tens come, 1 tens, hundreds come, that is 2, 3, 6. In thousand, 1000 and 10,000 come, that is 8 and 5. And in lakhs, lakh or 10 lakhs come, that is 1, 9. Now children, you can see that I have written these numbers in in 3 parts. One part is 9, 1, second part is 5, 8, and third part is 6, 3, 2. What is 9, 1? It is lakh because it is from the period of lakhs. 58, it is the thousand because it is the period of thousand. It is the number from the period of thousand. 632 ones because it is from the period of ones. Now, how we can write these number in figures? 9, 91 lakh, 58,632. And how we can write these numbers in words? We can write 91,58,632. Once again you can see in figures 91 lakh. After 91 there is one comma because we have separated lakhs from thousand. Next is 58,000, that is 58 then comma because thousand and ones is separated. Again 632. In words 91 lakh 58,632. Yes, children, there are some points to remember, and it can be helpful for you to write the number system or understand the number system. First point is digit in the same period. As we can see here, one period is there, one period is there, and one period is there. So we are taking one's period, the digit in the same period. There's 632 is written in the period of ones. So we will read these three numbers all together as 632. Now, next is marked period. We put comma. You can see, as I have discussed earlier also, that where we have separated the periods, where there we will put the comma. You can see here after 91 one separation is there, so we put here comma. After 58 one separation is there, we put here comma. So where the separation is done, we put there commas also. Next and the last thing is that we don't write S after any place values. As you can see here, in words we have written 91,58,632. So here we have not written lakhs, we have written only lakh. 91 lakh 58,000. Here also we have not written S, it is thousand. And 600, 100 is also, it is not written here as 32. So we don't put S in the place values. Now children, your homework is to learn the table of 8 and 9. So learn it by heart.